Hello everyone, let's start with the series Roadmap to Become Competitive Programmer 5 star. So in this video, I'll be solving the 28th problem and its name is Election in Chefland. It says election season has started in Chefland and the election commissioner wants to know the count of eligible voters. There are n peoples in Chefland where the age of the ith person is a of I. Given that a person needs to be at least x years old to vote, find the number of eligible voters. Input format were given. The first line of input will contain a single integer t denoting the number of test cases. So let's try to take care of the test case. While t minus minus, I think I'm solving from 26 videos, so I think you guys are pretty much know. Each test case consists of multiple line of input. Okay, first line of each test case contains two space separated integer n and x. So first line will contain n x. Let's take that, and they're saying the number of which is basically the number of people in Chefland is n, and the minimum age required for a person to vote in Chefland is x. The next line contains n space separated integer with the ith integer denotes the age of the ith person. Okay, got it. So let's try to understand the example. We have four test cases. In the first example, n is 4, x is 3, and yeah, the ages given are 5, 3, 1, 2. Let me take you to the board and explain you. 4, 3, 5, 3, 1, 2. So n given is 4, x given is 3, and this is the ages. You can say age is a vector. So there are 4 people, and first people's age is 5, second people's age is 3, third people's age is 1, fourth people's age is 2. So to vote any person, his age has to be at least x years of old, they have said. So you will have to compare this thing. Age of I is greater than equals to x. If that is the case, then that person is eligible to vote. So in this case, if you see 5 greater than equals to is true, so he is eligible. Second one, if you see 3 which is greater than equals to 3, which is x, he is eligible. If you see 1, so 1 is greater than equals to 3, which is minimum age, is false, so he is not eligible. Same with the 2 greater than equals to 3 is false. So in this case, we have two cases, I mean 2 person who can vote, whose ages are 5 and 3, and which are greater than or equals to 3. So yeah, in this case our answer will be 4. Let's try to go with the second example. 3, 2, 1, 3, 4. So these are the ages. 3 people are there in Chefland, and to vote, minimum age has to be x. So if you see first age, which is 1 less greater than equals to 2, is false. So first person is not able, will not be able to vote. Second person, if you see this one, if you are taking, this is the first one. So greater than equals to 2 is true, he is able to vote. If you see the last person whose age is 4, which is greater than equals to 2, this is possible. So here total number of people who can vote are 2. So for this case, first case it was 2, for second case also it is 2. Now let's try to consider the third case, 4, 2, 2, 1, 2, 4. Third case, if you see, number of people in Chefland are 4, x, which is the minimum age that given is 2. So you will have to find age of I greater than equals to x. So if you take the first one, which is 2 greater than equals to 2 is true, so his first person is able to vote. If you take the second person, his age is 1, which is greater than equals to is false, so he will not be able to vote. If you take the third person, 2 greater than equals to 2, he is able to vote. If you take the fourth person, then that is 4 greater than equals to 2, he is also able to vote. If you say there are 3 people who satisfy the condition, though in this case our answer is 3. So as you can see, our answer is 3. Let's try to consider the fourth case. 5 6 1 2 3 4 5. Got it. Total number of people are 5. X given is 6. N is equal to 5. And ages are 1 2 3 4 5. Now you will have to find age of I, which is basically greater than equals to X has to be there. If you take the first one, 1 greater than equals to 6 is false, so first person will not be able to vote. Let's try to take second example. He will also not able to vote. Let's try to take the third example. He will also not able to vote. Let's try to take fourth example. He will also not able to vote. Let's try to take the fifth example. He will also not able to vote. So no people in the Chefland will able to vote. So in this case, we'll have to return 0. I think you guys got the clear picture how to deal with this problem. Let me put this video in the corner. Go back to coding. So here one by one we will be getting the n elements. So we'll take a loop which will be running from 0 to n minus 1, and here we'll take one count, okay, which is basically the number of people who is able to vote. That will take care of in count variable. Here we'll take one more variable, temp age. So we'll take here one age variable and we'll input the value one by one. In this age variable, we'll check if this age is greater than equals to X. So in that case, the person will able to vote, so we'll have to increase count. And at the end, we'll have to return the count. I mean, print the count. So yeah, 2230, 2230. Let's try to submit the code. Yeah, it got accepted. So I think you guys know how to solve this. Yeah, thank you guys for watching the video.